Hi, my name is Olena. I am Ukrainian, but I live in Dubai, and I came to Vera Clinic to check my tooth, and they decided to give me some questions and quiz, and I have no idea what am I doing at that point.
Hi guys, my name is Nick or Nikita. I'm Ukrainian and I'm in Vera Clinic today, checking out my health, my teeth health, and hopefully I'm gonna be perfect after all the
Treatments.
after all treatments and everything.
Yeah.
No.
False. False.
False.
No. It's
It's
Ankara.
Ankara, yeah.
Yeah. Are we the only one who answered this question right? Really? That's what I was asking him actually on the way here. I'm like, do you know what is the capital of Turkey?
No, I
So
knew that.
he knew that.
That's true.
100%. Yeah.
Well,
No.
I don't know.
Maybe an old town. Maybe an old town, but I don't think so because there is this big one that we saw on the way.
But I don't remember.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know the name, but I think it's not the
think it's
tallest
different.
one. I think the newest ones, the modern ones, should be taller. However, they could have made it a little bit shorter to make the Galata one the tallest one.
Okay, I'll tell.
I think it's false. Logic. Team Smarties.
Sure.
He always says it's true. Flossing is good, but brushing I'm not sure.
Well, it makes sense because you need to remove all the particles and they don't stand there, so they don't cause cavity. Probably.
I think flossing is good, but it could be false to brush it as many times a day. Yeah. I think it's false, he thinks it's true.
True and false.
Yeah.
Right?
False.
After 30 minutes.
Okay, 30
After
minutes.
30 minutes. Oh, so it's partially true. I think so,
Yeah.
because you had a lot of reviews I checked on Google.
And we saw a lot of
most
old
of
people.
them, yeah, most of them were about hair transplant. So if you're asking and you're filming, most likely it's true.
My favorite thing as a tourist so far was the dinner by the Bosphorus on the rooftop. So not during this time because it was raining, so we didn't go, but the previous time. So I will definitely recommend you to go and enjoy the view in a nicer restaurant. Maybe a rooftop, maybe a drink on the rooftop. It's very nice. Bosphorus is the best. And also if you take a ride on the boat, is also great.
Yeah. All right. Well, we just got picked up from the hotel, and it's time to go to the clinic.
Yes.
Whee! Welcome to the Vera Clinic.
So how did we decide to go to Vera Clinic? So first of all, we travel a lot, and a lot of the times we have a layover in Istanbul. And many of my friends, they had some kind of clinical procedures or plastic surgeries here in Istanbul or overall in Turkey. And everyone was always satisfied and always happy about it. And it's way cheaper and way more affordable than, let's say, in Dubai, where I used to do my teeth before. And when we started looking for a clinic, we saw Vera Clinic, which had crazy number of reviews in Google, and mostly the positive reviews and a lot of photos on Instagram. We always check social media as well. So yeah, then we chat with the team online, and I really liked the professionalism. They knew English very well. They had transportation organized as well, so everything felt like it's the right way to do it. And then we had a short layover in Istanbul, so we went to see the clinic, and we went to have a consultation and x-ray and to see the doctors and to see the clinic. And after that, we finally made the decision that this is the right place to go. And yes, during this layover, we have 3 days in Istanbul, so that's enough time to do all of our procedures. So this is how the decision was made, and we do not regret it.
Okay. So
Well, for me personally, it was quality and pricing. So you're getting pretty much the same quality as you would get in the US, and then you're paid less, but then you have a team of professional people. And as Helen said previously, we travel a lot, we had a layover, it was really convenient for us. So we pulled the trigger and decided to stay here, decided to do all the procedures here, and we're pretty happy.
It feels good. The first day was not as comfortable, but the second day was already okay. And also we had a painkiller, so it feels just like normal procedure. It's way better than I thought. I was not afraid at all, honestly. So it's just as I expected, to be honest. Just normal.
Yeah, well thought, and you have to expect that. Surgery is never a thing that you're gonna like or you're gonna enjoy. So you have to deal with this thing, but then at the end, results is what that matters.
What I loved about the doctor is that here they were super confident and they've done everything quickly. So you really can feel that they're confident with their instruments or with their tools, and they do everything really quickly. So this is what I liked. Like you feel that they're confident in what they're doing and they know what they're doing.
Yeah.
So this was quick, and I think that's what makes your face like less swollen, and just because the procedure is going quicker.
Yeah, it felt like there was thousands and thousands
This
of
was
people.
the truth, by the way. She was really quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It felt like thousands of
She
people were
Yeah.
in that
So that's what I like.
chair. Yeah.
Because usually it's like you sit in there for a few hours, and the worst thing is sitting there for a few hours. So you get tired by sitting there. So when it's quick, you just continue your day and you don't think about it. You just, drink a painkiller. That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
First of all of them speak English, and this is very important for Istanbul. And probably, I don't know, like for me, I was surprised because in Turkey, not many people speak that well of English, to be honest. And here, everyone speaks English, even like technicians, everyone. And they're very confident, and they explain everything really well. And what I loved as well is that the process is so well thought of. They know exactly where you should go, what moment, like nobody is confused, nobody is running somewhere, like it's all by structure,
Yeah,
and they tell you what to do. They know exactly what they're doing, and it's quick and fast. And as I told before, they're very confident in what they're doing. If we're talking about Dr. Specifically, she was super confident and super quick, was doing everything. Even the cleaning was like 10 or 15 minutes, and I did my tooth cleaning before many times, and it was way quicker, and she felt very more confident than it usually is. And it didn't have any bleeding, because usually after, sometimes after cleaning you have bleeding of your gums. This time I didn't have any, which I was really surprised because she was going so quickly, but it was perfect. I didn't have any like swollen gums or anything. So yeah, this is what I've noticed.
Yeah, well, that looks like a piece of art. After they made all the fillings, it looks way better than I had an experience back in Ukraine, which is another level.
Yeah.
That's what I would say.
I didn't do any fillings, but yeah, I saw his, and I can tell this is like.
Yeah, like, well, if you see before and after, you'll be surprised.
I did mine in Dubai, which were like 4 times more expensive, and they look the same as his. So this is something to consider. So, my problem was I had braces before and my teeth were straight, but then my wisdom teeth started to grow. So my front teeth started to like crock, right? How do you call it? They started to overlap each other. So for me, it was my first step of removing them and then straightening my teeth again. So I'm so happy I've done it because my jaw is just apparently very small and I cannot keep all of them. So yeah, I'm super happy. I was dreaming about removing them, to be honest, and I'm happy. It was quick, it was easy, it was no brainer. Yeah, I'm super satisfied.